If you guys haven't read the title, we got our hands on the Jordan 1 High Midnight Navy colorway. Let's get unboxing. Hey guys, this is Aldridge. Before we get to the shoes, make sure you guys hit that like button and subscribe if you haven't, because we got more and more unboxings to do and we got more sneaker reviews to do. Alright, now on to the shoe. This Jordan 1 High comes in this neutral gray box, and it is the same box as this one, which contains this sneaker right here. This is the neutral gray colorway, which I also did a review on. Link will be up here and down in the description below. This metallic-like box nods to the first Japan pack released back in 2001. They were released as a Japan-exclusive Jordan 1s. This specific colorway originally only had 3,000 pairs made, while this neutral gray color had a much more limited run with only 2,001 pairs. Besides these two colorways that were released in Japan in 2001, there were two other colorways, which are an all black and an all white. This 2020 version boasts the same materials and the same color scheme from way back in 2001. So after 2 decades, they retroed the Jordan 1 Japan pack. Now, the blue overlays are all made from that smooth suede or nubuck material, while the white panels on the uppers are made from tumble leather. The swoosh features a silver metallic paint, while your midsole, of course, is your typical white midsole with your outsole having the same colors of the upper, this one being midnight navy. But this is not a perfect replica of the original release back in 2001. It has its differences. The Jordan Wings logo on the lateral side features this bubble-like effect, which actually stands out more on the neutral gray colorway. So, fun fact, this thing here is what you call a jeweled Wings logo, and this was already available on the OG neutral gray Jordan 1, but for this colorway specifically, back in 2001, it just had that metallic Wings logo, which is still fine. And if you guys see a neutral gray with a yellowed Wings logo, then you know it is an OG pair, because these things are prone to yellowing and cracking. Yeah, let's get back to the video. The tongue tab displays a Nike Air logo instead of a Jumpman, but behind it features the same black tab with a red Jumpman. Replacing the number of shoes made, we have the years 2001 and 2020 written at the back of the tongue tab. The insole displays a silver Jumpman with the letters CO.JP, and CO.JP stands for Concept Japan, which was also the URL of Nike back then. We also receive a cushion inner lining in that same navy blue color. The 2020 version also comes with an extra pair of laces in white. The stock color is, of course, navy blue. So if you guys were to choose between the neutral gray or the midnight navy, which one would you pick? Comment down below, let me know. Personally, I would opt for this one because it's a much nicer looking shoe, although this one also looks really cool. And the bubble effect on this thing is just outstanding. So if you guys enjoyed that video, make sure you guys hit that like button and hit that subscribe button and hit that notification bell, because next week we will be reviewing this SB Blazer mid. Don't miss out. See you guys in the next one. Stay safe. God bless.